In this video, I'm going to talk about the divergence indicator for TradingView. If you guys are fed up of using the divergence indicators that are based on RSI, then this divergence indicator is different than RSI in all ways and guys, you will love this indicator because the strategy that I am going to talk in this video is quite popular, and this is going to be very famous as well soon. Okay guys, so this indicator setup will be based on the two indicators. We will not be using the one indicator. We will use one buy and sell indicator, and the second part of this video will be based on the divergence indicator. So please make sure that you are not going to miss any important part of this video. Okay guys, one more thing, I have started another YouTube channel with the name of Secret Trading Unmasked. I have started sharing a lot of secret content that is available on TradingView, and the indicators that are not in front of your eyes, I started exploring those indicators and providing in front of my subscribers. So please make sure that you are going to subscribe the Secret Trading Unmasked YouTube channel. The link is given in the description of this video. Please subscribe it so that you should not miss any important strategies like this. Okay guys, so I'm going to remove this indicator from my indicator section, and we are going towards the indicator section. And one more thing guys, if you're looking for the best broker that I use, then please find the best broker link in the description of this video below. The broker is very good for forex crypto, and guys, please find the link in the description, and this is the highly reputed broker. Okay guys, so in the indicator section here, we are going to search a COP curve, okay, with COP curve, sorry, I have done some mistake. Yes, COP curve, yes, COP curve. Okay, if there is any problem, then I'm going to spell it as well, COP, okay, COP. Then you are going to write POC. Okay, so COP POC curve. Okay, the name is bit difficult, so don't worry about it. COP POC curve with pivot. Okay, so when you write COP POC curve with pivot, then this indicator will come, that is called pivot points and divergence by Adonis Werther. And you can see such type of indicators are hidden because they have few likes and they are not explored by a community so far. So I am going to click this indicator so that it should be attached on our screen. Okay, right now you can see that it is providing us some bearish divergences like this. And if we go and explore more part, like on here it is providing us a bearish divergence on gold 5-minute chart. This was the bearish divergence. Then we have the bullish one, and the dots that you can see on the screen, they are the bullish and the bearish divergence. Sorry, these are the pivot points. Okay, so we are going to use this strategy in a most interesting way. So for example, you know that I have reviewed one of the best buy sell indicator, that is called swing trader. Okay, swing trader, and that is by Quant Therapy, swing trader at the rate of Puppy Therapy. And this indicator is also not explored by many traders. This has only 240 likes. So if I click this one, then you see that the indicator is attached on my screen. Okay, now guys, we will review these both, and we will check that really things are working or not. For example, we have the bearish divergence, right? And you can see we have a short signal as well. Okay, the bullish divergence, but we do not have a buy signal from the swing trader indicator, right? Okay, so like for example, let's change the chart. Keep on watching these things because they are quite important for us. So we have the bearish divergence. Okay, but the swing trader indicator has provided us a buy signal. Why? Because this was the bullish divergence from that area. Okay, that area we are already into the bullish divergence. So what we get a message from this indicator setup, the combination in between these two. So it tells us basically, if we are going to use in a both in the same way, then it can be a profitable combination. Like if you get a buy signal, a long signal from here, and you need to search the divergences from here. If the both conditions are meeting, it means that this could be a strong idea for it. So for example, this was the bearish divergence here, okay, but already the long was working, so we cannot trust on that one. We should look for a sell position, sell signal from that indicator, okay, because the swing trader indicator that I am talking about is also a very perfect to trade. Okay, so for example, I have just opened one of the chart. I think it was Euro USD. Okay. Okay, so for example, we have a long signal here, but the recent divergence is here up to bearish. But if you look at the previous divergence that was already done here, that was the bullish, and we can go for the long. Okay, so you need to use this indicator with a little bit common sense. Like, I do not say that you are going to use it blindly. For example, look at this. This is the bearish divergence, and if you look at the top, we have a sell signal from the swing trader. Okay, so these combinations are making us a better trader. Look at this one. It has spotted the bullish divergence somewhere from here, and then you can see price is down, but it is providing you a bearish divergence, but we do not have a sell signal, so you can skip such type of signals. Okay, so if we go, then you can see this was the bullish divergence. Okay, so overall when we talk about this indicator setup, it looks like the divergence by this indicator is found early, and then it is the other one, the swing trader indicator, is providing you a confirmed signal later on. So you need to work on this. I mean, the practice my words on the demo account, and you will realize that what I am saying, because this thing will come with practice. Even I will speak with you, it will not work for you, because my point of interest is to show you the indicator like this is the good setup. Okay, we have the bearish divergence, we have already a short signal. You can find your entry from there. So guys, what do you think about this trading strategy? Let me know into the comment section. Like the video, subscribe the channel, and please do not forget to subscribe the new trading channel for the secret trading strategies. The link of the new YouTube channel is provided in the description of this video below. Thank you very much for watching this video.